So guys, in this video I show you that how you use mobile data on aeroplane mode. So you see that I am using data properly and it's working. Now I on the aeroplane mode and then dial the code, which is star hash 46 and 36 hash star hash star. Now click on option 1 and turn on mobile radio power. And also turn on this option, mobile radio power, and now click on more and enable data connection. So now you can see that the data working properly, and he also play a video. So if you guys like my video, so then share with your friend and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.